everyone. So today I'm going to show you how you can just make a Google Cloud Platform free tier account and you will get a $300 in your wallet. As well as with this credit, you can use a different kinds of services provided by the Google Cloud Platform like BigQuery, Google Cloud Storage, Dataflow, Dataprog, and different kinds of data engineering services. As well as I am continuously making an different kinds of services and technologies video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. And also I am making this video is very latest terms and condition provided by the Google Cloud Platform. So stay this video and you will able to understand how you can make very easily $300 free credit account by provided by the Google Cloud Platform. So first of all, you need to just come on your screen, and this is the Google screen, and where you need to just type GCP. So when you will just type GCP, you will be redirected to this first URL, cloud.google.com. You need to just click it. After clicking, you will just redirect this page and there is some features it will provided. If you have very fresh user, then you are able to make this account. If you already had account or you already used the GCP account, you are unable to make it. This video only for fresh user. Otherwise, you can use new Gmail, you can create a new Gmail and try to set up this account. It will be created and credited by Google Cloud Platform $300. So $300 free credit for new customer, as I already explained, like it would be new customer only. And the deploying pre-built solution, you can deploy your all overall project solution over here, as well as 20 plus product free trial. You can use it like BigQuery and other services. So let me just show you. First of all, you need when you will just come, you need to just click in the corner free start free. So after clicking on start free, here you will just see it like there is some rules and regulation. Like it, after creating this account, you will be just you will be getting like $300 in your wallet, as well as that would be applicable up to 3 months and 90 days. Means till 90 days you can just use it, there is no problem. And once you will get payment after just ending the 90 days, it will not automatically deduct from your account and from your credit card, debit card, or your payment, UPI payment. So it will not account once you will not active fully. So let me just show you. First of all, I am just using my fresh account. This is email ID I have created, and you have to just select your country. So I am from India, so I am selecting India. And after, you need to just click on agree and continue. Once agree and continue, it will redirect it to another step. Let me just show you. It will take some time. After that, it is necessary to create your name and address. Then payment mode would be active. So let me just active it and create it. This is for like individual organization or something. So you need to just type here individual. So when you will type individual, you need to just select your name. So my name is Nikhil Gupta. So I am just writing my name and address. I am from uh, Prayagraj. Prayagraj. So I type Prayagraj, and this is optional. Like another information, if you want to just give, it is optional. Town, you can make it town like Prayagraj, and let me just click Prayagraj pin code. Pin code. So I'll type it 211001. 211001. So this need to be, let me just, and also you need to just select your state also. So I am from Prayagraj belongs. belongs to UP. So I have selected the Uttar Pradesh. So this detail you need to just select it. So this is optional. If you have full address, you can just make it, and after that you can just fill and save it. So once you will just it will once you will just find out, and you will just fill it. So after that you will find out like this type of page, and payment mode now active. So after payment mode activated, once so let me just show you. So after clicking on payment mode, you will find out there are two, three options provided by the Google payment site. So this is a main step. You need to just pay attention. So here, if you have a credit card or debit card, it will deduct only 2 rupees. So please use your credit card or debit card or your friend's credit or debit card. Otherwise, it will deduct 15,000 rupees. That would also refundable by the Google Cloud Platform side. Means you, if you are using credit card or debit card, that would be only cut 2 rupees. If you are using the UPI one, so it will deduct 15,000 rupees. So let me just show you and start for free. It will just show the barcode. So yeah. So when you just click it, so UPI is selected, and now start for free. So here you will just find out its charges when you will just scan it. So it will just show you like 15,000 rupees. Let me just share it. So I will just share the screenshot from the my mobile, like it is showing 15,000. If you have the 15,000 rupees in your wallet or in your account, you can just give to this platform. They will, after the completing your 90 days, it will be refundable. Otherwise, you can go with credit or debit card. Let me just show you credit or debit card. I am going to just change the payment model, and I'll add credit and debit card. So let me just check with my credit and get debit card. So so this would be confidential from my side. I will fill and just show you how you can just activate it. So I have entered all the details, and I got the OTP from the Google Cloud Platform side and activated my free trial account. So after creating your free trial account, you will find out your first project. So I just added my project name, Data Engineering GCP. So you can also it, and here I'll get the credit. So it up to March 1. So so you can just make this type of account with under the 2 rupees, and that 2 rupees would be the refundable from the Google Cloud Platform side. If you are facing any problem, you can just comment down. I am definitely reply each and every comment and help you. Thank you so much, and please like, share and subscribe my channel.